What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. This is Sir Kennedy, where creativity meets clarity and Photoshop skills turn into real-world results. Quick question for you guys. Have you ever finished designing, then hit save, looked for PNG, and Photoshop said, well, no for today? Or have you ever saved the PNG, sent it to a client, uploaded it online, and boom, results are with a white background, which ruins everything? Well, if that has ever happened to you, relax, because today this video is about to save you time, stress, and embarrassment. In this session, I'm breaking down exactly how to save a PNG with transparency in Photoshop, step by step, beginner friendly, and no confusion. Welcome. But before we begin, hit the like button, subscribe if you're learning design work, branding, or Photoshop. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a creative upload from me. The first step is to check if your document is in RGB color mode. This step is really non-negotiable. So the first thing you have to do is come to image. Come to image and select the mode. And here we have different mode. Ours is in RGB. Always make sure it's in RGB. If it's in CMYK or any other color mode, it will not work in PNG. So your document must be in RGB color mode because PNG is a digital format and it does not work in any other color mode apart from RGB or even CMYK. It won't work. CMYK is for print while RGB speaks for screen. So to check if your document is in RGB, come to image mode and make sure it is ticked good. So the next step is to save as. So Photoshop has a trick, and here most people get stuck, and I believe me, it's not your fault. So for Photoshop, come to file. We have two options, save as and save as a copy. So here is where people get stuck. So do not click save as. Do not click as save as. Go to file and then you save as a copy. Once you save as a copy, you will get all these options of saving your document. And here we have our PNG document. So just come to save as a copy and click PNG and you save your document. With that said, let's open our document. Our document is opened. Now don't panic. If you preview the PNG and think, wait, why is this still in white? You can see the white background. This is the most common misunderstanding. By default, Photoshop always creates a white background layer. This is just default formality. To get a transparent background, we can come here to our Photoshop, design, and hide the background layer. And then we have a transparent background. So let's try to save it once more. Come here again, save as a copy, and we write number 2 and we save. Come here again, save as a copy. Now we save it as a PNG and we write number 2 and save. So normally here I just leave it as large file because logos for branding requires large files, while web compressed they require smaller files. So this is logo branding, so we just use the large files and press OK. And boom, now we have a clean, clear logo. You can see there's no white background. This is officially transparent and ready for use. So saving your logos in PNG really matters because this is what professional designers do. Having transparent PNGs are preferred for logos, websites, social media branding, and client delivery. We can remove this logo with the white background and import our PNG logo. Let's delete that. And let's import our PNG logo. Now we have our PNG logo here, which has a transparent background and it looks neat and clean. We can try to place it at any position. Let's place it at the corner like that, or even at the center like that, or even at the top corner like that. Now we have a clean, clear logo. Thank you, YouTube family. Now you know how to save a PNG with transparency in Photoshop. The right way, every time, follow the procedure. If this video really helped you, like it, subscribe for more Photoshop and branding tutorials, give a comment saying PNG is the best. So with that, I'll leave you with this video for your training. Create smart, design clean, export like a pro, and I shall meet you in the next video. Goodbye.